Over the wide coastline, dozens of seagulls fly together in flocks. They become far more powerful when they move together than when hunting alone. One group drives fish across the surface of the sea, while another swiftly snatches the prey driven in that direction. Sometimes, when seabirds or other animals try to steal their food, several seagulls fly in together to drive them away. This power of cooperation makes seagull flocks the strongest rulers of the shore. Soaring between the sea and the sky, they continue to dominate the coastline each day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.